We're making eggnog. Come on, I'll show you how. Just take 6 eggs. We just need the yolk. You could make an angel food cake with this. I'm probably just gonna save it and use it for breakfast in the morning. We need to put a 1/2 cup of sugar into our egg yolks. I'll whisk it till it's really fluffy and the sugar is all dissolved. In our pot, we need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Just went and picked up our milk this evening, and I haven't ladled the cream off the top yet. There's our 1 cup of heavy cream. Now we need 2 cups of milk. So the recipe calls for like a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, but y'all know me. At least a full teaspoon on this. A pinch of salt. Now we gotta go to the stove. We're gonna stir this continually and just heat it until when it starts steaming. All right, so it just came to like a steam and just started to simmer a bit. We're gonna take it off the stove now. This is the tricky part. We cannot just pour all of this into the eggs, and we can't pour all the eggs into this. It'll just cook your eggs and you'll have scrambled eggs in your eggnog. That's not good. You're gonna take small amounts while we're continuously beating and stirring your eggs, okay? We're not gonna put it all in there, but we're gonna dump a little bit while we're stirring. So that was most of our milk mixture. We're gonna put it all in the pot. Back on the stove. We're gonna heat this just until it reaches 160 degrees. We're gonna continue to stir it. All right, that didn't take us very long at all. We're at 160. The recipe doesn't call for it, but I'm gonna put a little splash of my homemade vanilla. I had hot water in this jar to condition it so it won't bust. This is gonna cool, and then it's gonna go in the fridge to chill. We prefer to drink it cold. That's probably not gonna last us very long. Our home raised chicken eggs. The yolks are so yellow. The eggnog is very yellow. Okay. She's excited.
That's so good.
So good. Happy holidays.